Knowledge of Planet X leaked by alleged CIA agent after viewing it through Hubble Space Telescope, according to claims. Shebardambulas reports upon recent admissions by NASA and other officials confirming Planet X is real. One must question the validity of the information presented through mainline streams which may actually be attempted to thwart the populace from discovering any actual approaching system. This thing has got 7 planets and its own sun, said an alleged CIA agent who claims to have witnessed the mini solar system after intercepting image and data transmissions from Hubble Space Telescope during his employment with the Central Intelligence Agency, as he claims. I think this thing has a planet like ours circling it. This is its own solar system. We are about to have a solar system come through the middle of our own solar system, and this can't be good, the alleged agent said. And the alleged agent also said that the system will pass Earth from beneath an eclipsed planet at a distance of about 20 million miles, sooner than expected after achieving breakaway speed from the sun. The alleged agent claims the government has been monitoring the system for years, and that in 2008 it could be seen in high detail using modern equipment, from what he claims. According to the alleged whistleblower, this planet is 47,000 miles across and gives off an iron oxide dust, which has formed a cloud up to 100 million miles across. Now we know the distance from the Earth to the Sun is 93 million miles, and that's 1 AU. He says this thing is just orange hot. I mean, to tell how hot it was, I was told that they estimated between 5 and 10 million degrees. The alleged agent said he had even witnessed the system's dust cloud taking on the appearance of wings as it rounded the sun, matching ancient tales from history that talk about the crossing planet. DCIA guys told me that this pole shift will probably happen from start to finish in around 28 minutes. 500 to 1,000 foot tall shock waves may ruffle the planet as this thing passes, and the alleged agent said, also pointing out how it may have an extremely powerful magnetic field. He said, I watched it through the Hubble Space Telescope, and when this thing looked like it was crossing the street, the Hubble got cut off, and they encrypted it, and that was the end of any transmissions we had to watch. And we know that the Hubble, in order to be in the shadow of the Earth, had to be at an angle, and so that meant it was looking downwards, and this thing was coming up from underneath us. That is from under Antarctica, right? South Pole. He said, I personally think this thing is real close to us right now, but that's just my personal feeling, he says. The alleged agent thinks that the planet may experience a pole shift when the system passes. He says they have known about this thing forever, the alleged agent pointed out. It's 4 or 5 times the size of our Earth. This planet is rolling over to face this thing, and when it goes by, it's going to grab our southern pole with its northern pole. There's going to be a massive earthquake when it locks on to us, and it goes past us. We're going to follow it right upside down. The oceans are just going to roar from pole to pole, he said. We should be prepared and expecting this thing to show up, the alleged agent said before the transmission was cut off. And according to the latest Planet X researchers, the alleged insiders like John Moore maintain the system may pass pretty much not far from now, according to this article. And this is on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.